Hello friends, today we are going to see Agile Ceremonies. First is a grooming meeting, second is a sprint planning meeting, third is a scrum meeting, fourth is a sprint review meeting, fifth is a sprint retrospective meeting. Let's see the first meeting is a grooming meeting. Grooming meeting happens before start of the sprint. The agenda of grooming meeting is cleared out about the requirement. Required time is 1 hour. People involved in the meeting are a product owner, developer, tester, and scrum master is optional. Second meeting is a sprint planning meeting. Sprint planning meeting happens start day of the sprint. Agenda of sprint planning meeting is deciding which is the stories we are adding into current sprint. Estimation means start and end day of each user story. Time required is 1 hour. People involved in the meeting: scrum master, developer, tester, and product owner. Third is the scrum meeting. Scrum meeting happens every day. The agenda of scrum meeting is what you did yesterday, what you doing today, and any roadblock are you facing. The time required for a scrum meeting is 15 minutes. People involved in the meeting: scrum master, developer, and tester. Next is a sprint review meeting. Sprint review meeting happens last day of a sprint. Agenda of a sprint review meeting: tester will give the demo of any user story. Time required 1 hour. People involved in the meeting: product owner, developer, and tester. Next is a sprint retrospective meeting. Happens last day of the sprint. Agenda: in that meeting we will discuss about the good things and bad things in the current sprint. Time required 30 minutes. People involved in the sprint: scrum master, developer, and tester. That's it. Thank you. Keep learning.